Hello my friends, so in this video I will show you how to start this machine after you buying our machine. Okay, in the left side we have the control panel, okay, and also have the electric switch. The first step is we should turn up this main power switch. Okay, turn up. Okay, after turning up this switch, and then we can open our power switch, and then open the fan switch too, and also after opening the fan switch, then we can turn up the heating switch, the heating switch too, and the wax box switch and the light switch. Okay, then we can rating the temperature reach our standard. Then we can start this machine. So you can see after we preheating this machine, now this first chamber temperature reach to 1038, and that become higher and higher in the second, and do the same thing. So just waiting. Okay, after waiting, this temperature reach our standard, then we can open the start button. Okay, and this is the whole process, and how to starting this machine. Okay, and after restarting this machine, the zipper will go in here, and through our wheels, you can see there are many wheels into the first chamber, and then we go through the second chamber, and then we'll come out from here. The two tapes go in here, and the two tapes come out here. Okay, you can see there has a two channel for come out the zipper. Okay, after because now we are just waiting the temperature become higher and reach our standard, then we can start machine and show to you the result, the testing result. Okay, and this is the zipper before ironing. You can see before ironing, I think the tape is not so flat, and later we start this machine, then we can see the ironing machine and testing results. Okay, thank you. So next video I will show you the testing result for you. Thank you.